Curious? Excited? Then stick around. The complete factory magic is about to unfold. What if everyday farm waste could become the future of eco-friendly products? Welcome to the modern banana leaf factory revolution. From raw banana leaves harvested fresh every morning to revolutionary sustainable products. Watch Step inside this state-of-the-art facility where nature meets cutting-edge technology. Now the real magic begins. The shared intermediate feedstock branches into 3 specialized eco-friendly product lines. Roller milling evens out particle size for consistent quality. Controlled hot air drying brings moisture to a stable range without scorching the natural fibers. Automatic weighing, bagging, palletizing, and storage, and superior, ready for eco-friendly applications.
After neutralization and multi-stage cascade washing, the degummed fibers are now free of lignin and hemicellulose, ready for further refinement.
Mechanical refining standardizes the fineness and opens up the fiber structure for superior quality degummed powder. Rigorous inline and lab quality checks ensure every batch meets strict eco-industrial standards.
In the third branch, cellulose is extracted by dispersing the material into a slurry and breaking down the remaining non-cellulosic components.
The slurry is concentrated and mechanically dewatered to form wet granules ready for tablet formation. High-pressure tablet pressing forms the concentrated cellulose into solid, uniform tablets ready for final drying. Multi-zone drying removes remaining moisture while preserving the natural cellulose structure and integrity. Final lab verification confirms strength, purity, and eco-credentials of every cellulose tablet batch. From humble banana leaf to global sustainable solution, this is the future of green manufacturing.
Zero waste in action. Every part of the process feeds back into nature, reducing plastic pollution and supporting regenerative farming.
It all begins and returns to nature.
Behind every innovative product is a dedicated team ensuring hygiene, precision, and sustainability at every step. Regular maintenance keeps the high-tech lines running smoothly 24/7, minimizing downtime and maximizing eco-efficiency.
Advanced AI vision systems ensure zero defects, catching imperfections humans might miss for perfect, consistent quality.
This process diverts agricultural waste from landfills, cuts plastic use dramatically, and supports carbon-neutral goals.
These products aren't just factory outputs. They're in your daily life. Food packaging, disposables, even beauty and health items.
Rigorous testing proves these banana leaf derivatives are strong, biodegradable, and outperform many traditional materials. From local farms to tables worldwide, sustainable solutions reaching millions, reducing environmental footprint globally.
Real people, real impact.
Choosing green alternatives every day.
It all starts and ends with nature, a renewable cycle of growth, innovation, and renewal.